I'm Ashwain Rayit and I work for Saras Technology, based here in Leeds, West Yorkshire.
So my name's John Wymer, work for Saras Technology here in Leeds.
My name is David Aikins. I work at Saras Technology as a quality manager.
So the nature of the work that we do here at Saras Technology is we design and manufacture RF and microwave equipment for the defence market, the space market. And some of the examples of the types of products we do are RF filtering products, which are required because the environment is so congested with multiple signals. And the other area of the work that we do is we design and manufacture RF and microwave amplifiers. Because again, when you have a small signal, you need to boost that signal up. So whether that's on the defence arena or whether it's up in space, then you still need to do those sort of things. So that's the type of work that we do and the nature of the business that we have here.
So the nature of the work that we do is we do the analogue electronics between the digital radios and the aerial systems.
The nature of my role deals specifically with overseeing the QA process, so ensuring that all things to do with quality are met, both externally and internally. So for an external point of view, it's making sure that all our qualities that go to our customers are to the correct spec and they look how we say they should look, and internally it's ensuring that everybody in the house has everything they need to do their work properly.
Yeah, so my role here at Saras Technology is Managing Director. So part of my responsibilities are to make sure that the business is performing on a year-on-year basis, making sure that any new policies that we're implementing are implemented in the correct manner, and that obviously overseeing the day-to-day running of the business, which is very important, and making sure that we achieve our targets that we've set for ourselves as a business. And then introducing new policies and any other changes that may or may not be required as part of running a business. A business that's expanding has its own challenges, as we are at the moment. The headcount is increasing. We're running out of manufacturing space, so we're actually constructing a new manufacturing site right next door to where we currently are. So all of these titles and remits fall under my umbrella.
So my role at Saras Technology is engineering manager, and I make sure that products we make are what the customer needs.
As we know, quality is paramount, and safety in the space sector is also very paramount. So my role is to ensure that every product that we build for that sector is to the correct spec, and it is to the standard that they have designed for it. So it's essential that we make sure everything is to the correct quality.
Now the space sector, we have to get things right because we can't get a ladder out and go and fix a satellite.
It's a great time to be involved with the space sector here in West Yorkshire. We're almost becoming a Silicon Valley of the UK, and as part of that, one of the things that's really buoyant at the moment is the space sector. We've got a space centre that's opened in Bradford, and we're involved with that space centre as a business. And really, it's a great time because the next thing is to be out there in space and to try and make use of as much of the space sector as we can, and then implementing our technologies to allow that to happen is very important.
So the future of space technologies will be on the increase, both in terms of communications, telemetry, and even RF that's used in propulsion systems.
There's a vast array of opportunities. I think we're just at the start of what's beginning to bubble away here, generally globally in the space sector, but definitely here in West Yorkshire. And there are opportunities both at all levels, both at engineering levels, both at managerial levels. So there's a vast array of opportunities that are available for anybody wanting to get into the space sector here in West Yorkshire. I think be focused, try and understand what it is you want, not just today, what it is you want in the next 3 to 5 to 10 years, and try and focus on those things. So it's very important that you understand the market that you're going into and the challenges that you'll face in that market, and making sure that you as an individual are up to those challenges.
Well, the advice I give to anybody going into space communications is to get to understand RF in actually how it's used, and once you do that, you enjoy it, the work, and when you enjoy the work, then the working day goes past very quickly.
Great question. I've been in Yorkshire for 50 plus years, and I love the people that are here. I love the surroundings. We've got the countryside very close to us, and every type of restaurant and every type of food is now available to here in Yorkshire.
Oh, well, Yorkshire and around this area has actually got quite a history. So only 50 miles away in the 1950s, Sir Bernard Lovell set up a big aerial and was using it for radio astronomy. And then that same aerial got used for the first satellites, and then it got used for the moon landings. So we're continuing on with that sort of work.
The people, I'd probably say, is number one. I come from down south, so the people are not as nice as the people up here. And the scenery. I think Yorkshire Dales, having places like Peak District or Lake District that's so close, I know one of them is very close, it's a huge thing for me.
Favourite sound, R&B. Extrovert. Beach.
Coffee. Or late owl. Sunset.
Summer. Absolutely hate winter. I'll say action movies. Yeah. Organised. I cannot afford to be messy, especially in my role. It just doesn't happen. So.
Saras Technology is now 20 years old and was established by myself, Ashwain, and my elder brother, Dr Ashwain Rayit, who unfortunately passed away as a result of COVID on the 4th of February 2021. And really, all of this is in memory of him, and may the business continue in his memory.